Hello and welcome to another Asset Management Minute. My name is Sean Reeves, and today we are continuing on the theme of the asset management system or asset management framework. Whether it be the development of the new one or a review of your current one, we're talking about doing the gap analysis or maturity assessments now of what is already in place within your organisation. The gap analysis starts to look at the strategic level, looks at the decision making and how the strategies come together, how that then informs the planning functions, how the planning functions then determine what maintenance is done, what acquisitions in place, how we then manage our operations and how that all comes together. The gap analysis also should look at how the information you use and the measures are providing the feedback needed to do the continual improvement. The outcome of all of this gap analysis and maturity assessment then is your baseline and your foundation for the development of the rest of your asset management system or your framework. I hope that's helping, and we'd look forward to talking to you soon, and keep an eye out for another Asset Management Minute. Take care. Bye.